First, drag the image of mobile, transform and rotate it, then import the image of man. Flip it horizontal and adjust accordingly. Make layer masks of both images. Press Ctrl and click on mobile image icon to make its selection. Then choose Layer Mask of Man Image. Choose Solid Round Brush and paint black to remove unwanted areas, as I did. Inverse the selection with Shift+. I again paint black to remove the unwanted areas. Now fill the background with solid color by pressing Alt plus Backspace. Make new layer above background layer. Choose Soft Round Brush tool. Decrease its flow and paint white accordingly. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl plus J. Change blending mode of both layers to overlay. Make another new layer and again paint white. Keep its blending mode to normal. Now, drag another image of glowing background. Change its blending mode to screen. Adjust its size and position. Duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl plus J and converting both of them to Smart Object. Now, select the man image and choose Camera Raw Filter. Adjust the values accordingly. Now, let's drag the image round glowy background. Change its blending mode to screen, and adjust it properly according to the man and mobile image. Make selection of man image by pressing Ctrl and clicking on man image icon. Remove the glow image within the selection. Repeat the same and remove unwanted areas of that glowy image. Make new adjustment layer of hue and saturation, and make it bluish type. Now, make the new adjustment layer of color balance on Mont's image. Increase the cyan color balance. Make another adjustment layer of color balance, and this time increase the magenta color. Then keep magenta color on left side, and cyan color balance on right so it matches with background somehow. Then, new adjustment layer of curves and increase brightness to highest level. Then fill its layer mask with black, and then paint white on the edges of man's image so it looks nice. Repeat the same with mobile image. Make a new layer and draw the shadow for the mobile. Now bring social media icons. Adjust their positions and give them motion blur. Type text with Text tool. Change its font to Stretch Pro. Choose blending options. Give gradient, inner glow, outer glow, and stroke. Adjust the values accordingly. Make a rectangle. Choose blending options. Use stroke, inner glow, outer glow, and color overlay. Adjust the values accordingly. Now import the icon. Choose its color overlay in blending options. Type text with text tool and change its font to Futura MDBT. Make a line with line tool and give same color as the text and icon. Now, make 2 copies more of icon, text and line layer, and adjust their positions properly and then edit them accordingly. Now, drag another icon. Adjust its size and choose Color Overlay in blending options for it. Type text and choose Font Futura MDBT for it. Now, make new adjustment layer of solid color. Choose light blue color and change its blending mode to screen. Then fill the layer mask with black. Choose soft round brush tool with color white and paint where you want a glowing effect. Now, drag another image above background layers and change its blending mode to multiply and decrease the opacity. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E to merge all the layers together. Choose Camera Raw Filter and adjust the values accordingly. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.